back to the vlog. As you can tell by the title, today is a very special day. We are going to start Christmas decorations. My roommate and I kind of realized that we're not going to actually be home for like 3 weeks starting like Thanksgiving, so really we'll only have 2.5 weeks to really appreciate the Christmas decor when we're actually in the apartment. So we're like, why not get started now? So we're going to go run to Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and we're going to get crafty. We just watched Elf last night for the first time this year, and it kind of inspired us to make our living room basically look like Elf. So we're going to dive into the festivities and go and see what cute little holiday trinkets they have for us to put out and get into the crafty spirit. Last night we were watching Elf, we made the cutest stockings. I basically turned tote bags that I had left over from an event I did from work, and I cut it and hand sewed them into these really cute little stockings, and then we drew on them and then we hung them on our TV stand. So I'll do little clips after this to show you guys what we did. We are going to do a Christmas project. I have some leftover fabric bags from an event that I did for work, and I just thought that it'd be really cute if my roommate and I made these into stockings, so like we're kind of being, you know, sustainable. So I'm going to cut out like a stocking shape and then I'll sew it, and then we're going to use paint markers to decorate them, and we'll hang them on our little TV console. I think it'll be really cute, but I'm excited to start decorating for Christmas. Our apartment this year is a little bit bigger than last year and like a little bit more open space, so we'll be able to show a little bit more decor this year. So let's get to making these. It's a Sunday night, and what better thing to do when it's cold and rainy than get started on the holiday festivities. Just finished sewing the first stocking. She's so cute. I think I'm gonna cut these and then like tie them into bows on the side, so then we can like hang them from the bows. So let's see. Okay, this is freaking adorable. I'm going to actually I don't have an iron, so I'm going to use my hair straightener to kind of like make this not so crinkly for when we decorate it. Let's iron these wrinkles. It might not work. It might just be like crazy. I think it's a little better. So I finished sewing them, and we are going to paint them with our little markers now. so cute. Wait, you did so well. All right, you guys, we just got home, so I'm gonna do a little haul of what we got. I'm using my little light here because it's pretty dark in my apartment already, and it's literally so early, but that's okay. So let's just show you what we got to decorate our apartment first. So first, I got this super cute throw for my bed. It's so cute. I don't know if you can see the golden shimmers, but this will look so cute on top of my white duvet. Next, you guys, I'm so excited about this candle. Obviously, you need a holiday candle, obviously. And this is the last one that they had. I fear we slayed with this. So this is the firewood and silver fir candle, but the top is what makes it because it's a snow globe. Guys, so cute. Can you see that? And if you turn it on, I'll turn it on for you guys. The little trees light up. It's so cute. I love her. This one's so cute. So excited about that. I think we're kind of going for more of like a green theme in our apartment this year for Christmas. And then I'm so excited about these cups because I have some that my friends gave me a while ago for my birthday, but they're full of like flowers, bees, insects, and like just like summer things. So when I went to go make my coffee the other day, I was like, ooh, I kind of wanted an ice cup that was a little more winter themed. So we found the ones with little gingerbreads on them. Well, you guys can see them. I almost got a different set with Christmas trees, but these are the last ones of gingerbread. I feel like they're just so cute and subtle. So we're gonna probably make some hot chocolate in these tonight because they can be used for hot and cold. They're so cute. A girl literally stopped me and asked me if there were more of these. I was like, sorry girl, I think I got the last one. All right, next, we got ornaments for a tree. These are the gold ornaments. There's literally like a dollar store really close to us, so we're gonna be using those. We have some more cute green dangle ornaments. Got a couple of those. This one is super exciting. I think I showed you guys earlier in the video, but we got a super cute wreath. So we'll put this on our door. And then we didn't really get anything from Michael's, but we stopped by our local dollar store again, and we got some paper so we can do all the fun like crafting pieces. We're going to make chains and we're going to make snowflakes, so that'll be really cute. Very elf-esque. Then just little things for the ornaments and some fun tinsel for the tree as well. Okay, I have the fireplace burning on the TV and I just put on my comfy Christmas pajamas from Dippin' Daisies. So let's get to building our tree.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers.
It feels so Christmassy in here even before we decorate the tree. Like, oh my gosh. Now let's put on the ornaments.
Down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door.
And she's done. She's so cute. Let's get up close and see the gold. Oh my god, I feel like we did such a good job.
It looks so good.
I'm obsessed.
A Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all
The cutting
across
is the boring part, but the
town.
building is
Lady
fun.
me under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen
I literally read
lake,
how to make these in
saying
college.
hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace.